I am Naitra Nidhin of Class 4E, Excel Public School, Mysuru. This is a vertical car parking system that I've made. I've made it in such a way that it's very tall so that there will be many cars and space for all the cars to fit. When all the cars fit in place, when all the cars are in place, the pulley rotates and no cars fall down. And this is how it works. When all four pulleys activate, the cars like the cart where the car is in, it's down, and the driver can drive away. When the driver wants a car to be in place, it can again activate, and it can be like this. See, what a simple activity solved a human problem. Like this, in future generations, this can be used because there will be many people. Thank you.